Alright, we're gonna remake the thumbnail of this YouTuber, Lil R. I don't know how to pronounce his name. Basically, the thumbnail sucks, so I'm just gonna remake it. Okay, let's go to Roblox Studio, and then we're gonna go to base plate, and then we're gonna import a tower. Then we're gonna modify it a bit.
Calling me.
Let's go to min animator, Y, you'll see. And then take a picture like this. This is where it gets interesting. I'm just gonna use a recent one because it's already posted. This is from How One Frame. You should subscribe to that channel. It's epic. Yeah, there we go. That's the avatar. Then we're gonna make him look up. So rotate. Yeah, this is good enough. Alright, we're gonna reposition his arm a bit, set a camera, this one, behind him. Okay, now let's go to rendering. That looks pretty clean so far. Let's change the lighting to match the picture. Yes, that's it. But I noticed one thing. I don't like how this character is positioned. I think the head needs to be a little bit more like that. I think that looks way better. Alright, epic. Render image. Okay, done. We're gonna go to my iPad to make the actual thumbnail. Because yes, I work on an iPad. Alright, awesome. And then slightly make him visible. Gonna add some glow. We already have white glow, now we need purple glow. And the white glow, no not white, yellow glow. We could make this a little more noticeable and this a little less. Like that. Shut up Discord.
I put a lot of effort into my videos, so if you enjoy them, please subscribe. It helps my channel out more than you could ever imagine. Alright, back to the video.
Oh, that looks awesome. That temperature, yes. Yes, that's awesome. Alright, let's make this a little darker. I think we need to make this a little darker. Oh no, not darker, blurry. Just blurry. Yeah, blur. That looks very clean. Okay, let's do some color correction again. That looks awesome. Alright, this is the thumbnail. Let's see what he thinks of it.
I made a thumbnail for your tower video.
Yee.
Wanna see it?
Sure. What the